Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is the LG refrigerator. There is a button we press that opens up to the outside of the refrigerator that you have some cold saver, different areas of interest to get into. You simply make sure it's closed and you pull the door and the whole door opens up to your actual inside of the fridge. It's got some nice shelves, organized, pretty indeed. And of course you got your ice maker and your water maker. I'm not a fan of this particular design, and they should have created a better design than the design they did. In the front where my index finger is at, this is where the water comes out, not back here where the ice. They could have made this inside to come out correctly, and they did not. And that is the floor of LG refrigerators. You open it up, the ice maker's on the door, space plus, and a nice shelf area. I'll talk more and get a little better close-up shot for you. All your electronics are there, but what we're going to be doing is trying to level this refrigerator. As you can see, it's got a little tilt. Now the problem here, I see that the people that come in and install things is off by a little bit. Craftsmanship now doesn't look great because of the delivery team. Now down over here on the bottom there is a nice turnbuckle, and it may be hard to grab with your hands. Hopefully counterclockwise would be your face up here, and I'm going to turn this way to raise it up some. And I'm going to show you where that's at with the channel locks. If you don't have somebody to help you lift, that's where this tool comes in handy. Open up as wide as you can, 4-inch. I'm going to have to basically close it up just a little bit. I'm going to look over here. I'm going to grab it and see if I could turn. There we go. You can see it turning. Try my best to give it a nice turn or two and shake it. Now, if I pull this back, the door corrects. We're happy. Everything is closed and everything is leveled. I'll bring it nice and close so you can see where the water comes out. And you decide if this is the fridge for you. If I want water, I press. And look how close it comes out. You can't put your cup here and press. You can. This should go that way and not out this way. Not the best design, if you ask me. I hope you have learned how to level. You can put a level on. I didn't. I just made sure it doesn't do a Charlie Chaplin move. On that note, thank you very much for joining the LGE. Thank you very much for joining the LG refrigerator, How to Level. Have a great day, everybody.